Football is, it's the most popular sport in the world. It's far more than just a game. It's rooted in communities of people who grow up playing the sport, watching the sport. And when you get a real close affinity to a football club, it becomes a huge and important part of your life.
I would say that we are a club that, despite how we perform on the pitch, our team will always get clapped off. I think we have absolutely amazing fans. It's non-league football. There's many highs and lows that come with that. It is a roller coaster. You just have to buckle up and be on the ride.
We have a bit of a sort of friendly rivalry going on with Ashton going back years. Very similar. Your communities, we've got a lot more in common than we have that divides us. Why? Which has had a troubled history over the last 30, 40 years in particular. It's always been a tough working class town.
Ashton is an area that has a very, very rich sport and heritage. We want to use the football club to drive a lot of change and social issues, and it's very important that we're not only just developing as a club, but we're developing as a community as well.
There are many towns like this. The local community looks for something to hold on to, to give them a sense of identity, a sense of belonging. The power and the scope of what football can do beyond the stadium is phenomenal.
We're rebuilding the club now, but we're trying to rebuild it and restore the sense of pride in the club, and thereby and through that in the community as well. And we were both astonished and delighted when we were contacted by QTS, and they said they wanted to help.
QTS got involved to give to the club, which we are extremely grateful for. This partnership is great for our club.
We can build a club and a team that the local community can be proud of, both on and off the pitch.
What I love about coming down to Croft Park is just the openness of the entire experience in and amongst the community here. You're only ever a custodian of a football club. It belongs to the community.
I just hope people realise that it's a lot more than just a football club. We want to be the driver for a lot of things, and I do think that we can do that. That is really what Ashton is at the heart.
Travel the world with football, and I love it as a sport. But there's something about the connection about football and your identity, where you feel you belong. This is where you belong. This is where the community comes together. And I think that's a really powerful thing.